Check-in and baggage drop.
Hello. May I see your passport and ticket?
Yes, here they are. I am going to London.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
I have one suitcase. I also have a small backpack.
Please put your suitcase on the scale. It is 20 kilograms.
Is that okay?
Yes, it is fine. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I prefer a window seat.
I have a window seat for you. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What is the gate number?
Your gate is B10. Have a nice flight.
Security check.
Please put your bags in these bins. Take out your laptop and phone.
Should I take off my shoes?
No, you can keep your shoes on, but please take off your jacket.
Okay. I have a bottle of water in my bag. Is that okay?
No, you cannot take water through security. You must throw it away.
I understand. I will throw it away now.
Thank you. Please walk through the metal detector.
Did I trigger the alarm?
No, you are clear. You can take your things now.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
Immigration, passport control.
Please step forward. May I see your passport?
Here it is.
What is the purpose of your trip?
I am going on a vacation.
How long will you stay in London?
I will stay there for 2 weeks.
Where will you stay?
I will stay at a hotel near the city center.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
That is fine. Look at the camera and stay still. Now put your right index finger on the scanner.
Like this?
Yes. Your passport is stamped. Enjoy your trip.
Duty-free shopping and waiting.
Hello. Are you looking for anything special?
I'm looking for some perfume for my friend.
This one is very popular. It has a light flower scent.
It smells nice. How much is it?
It is $80.
I will take it. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes. We accept all major credit cards.
Thank you. Is the boarding gate far from here?
It is a 5-minute walk. You have plenty of time.
That is good to hear. I will go to the gate and wait there.
Have a safe flight.
Boarding.
Good afternoon. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
Here they are. Is the flight on time?
Yes. We are boarding on schedule.
Can I bring my backpack on the plane?
Yes. Small bags are allowed in the cabin.
Thank you. Where can I find my seat?
Your seat is 12A. It is on the left side.
Can I put my bag in the overhead bin?
Yes. You can put it there or under the seat in front of you.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Please watch your head when you enter the plane.
I will. Have a nice day.
Arrival and immigration.
Welcome. May I see your passport and arrival card?
Yes. Here is my passport and the form.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for sightseeing and travel.
How long do you plan to stay in the country?
I will stay for 10 days.
Where will you be staying?
I have a reservation at a hotel in the city.
Do you have any friends or family here?
No, I am traveling alone.
Please look at the camera for a photo.
Is that all?
Yes. Your passport is stamped. Welcome to the city.
Baggage claim.
Hello. Can I help you with something?
I am looking for the baggage belt for flight AA123.
Flight AA123 is at belt number 5.
Thank you. I have been waiting for 20 minutes, but my bag is not here.
Sometimes it takes a little longer. What color is your bag?
It is a large blue suitcase with a red tag.
Wait, I see a blue bag coming out now. Is that yours?
Yes, that is my bag.
I'm glad you found it. Do you need a trolley?
No, it has wheels. I can pull it.
Have a good day.
Customs.
Good morning. Do you have anything to declare?
I am not sure. I have some snacks and a bottle of perfume.
Are you carrying any fresh fruit or meat?
No, I do not have any fresh food.
Are you carrying more than $10,000 in cash?
No, I only have a small amount of cash.
What is inside that small box?
It is a gift for my friend. It is just a wooden pen.
That is fine. You do not need to pay any tax for that.
Can I go through the green exit?
Yes, you can go through now.
Thank you for your help.
Arrivals hall.
Hello. Are you looking for a taxi or a bus?
I want to go to the train station. Where is the ticket office?
The ticket office is over there next to the coffee shop.
Is the train expensive?
It is $10 to the city center. It is very fast.
How often does the train run?
It runs every 15 minutes.
That is great. Is there a place to change money nearby?
Yes. There is a bank right behind you.
Thank you. You are very kind.
No problem. Enjoy your stay here.
I will. Goodbye.